In this video, we'll ask ChatGPT to solve a code challenge for us. So I've just copied this code challenge from HackerRank. This is, I don't know, some random one where you have to give an array, perform some operations. There are some constraints and the expected output, and we put that as a prompt to ChatGPT. And what we're going to do, we're going to ask it to solve it, and we will see the solution. Sometimes, in a lot of cases, ChatGPT will even explain its solution to us. So, as you can see, it says this solution utilizes the built-in sum function. So, this is Python, but can be basically any reasonable programming language. And we can see the results of the output, because not only it provides us with a solution, in a majority of cases, it will also offer some kind of a test to test the solution, to test the function. But if that didn't happen for some reason, we can explicitly tell it to test the solution. And we'll see the way it is testing the provided solution. Pretty much the same output. This is just to showcase what it can do, and that is basically was very basic code problem, but I can assure you it can solve more advanced ones. But beware that the solution might not always be the optimal one. In this case, you can say, optimize me this solution, but you need to know what you are looking for in the first place and how to spot the inefficient solution.